Hi everyone, welcome back to FBM Fox. In this video, we're doing a restructuring and a rearrangement of templates, and basically we're making this video to show you how we've rearranged templates and how it's going to help you in the future, basically. So before, the template was not corresponding well with the products, and if you had one product which you wanted to make go to shops and marketplace using one template, it wasn't quite possible, and it was somewhat messy, and some fields that were in the products weren't in the templates. What we've went ahead and done is basically standardize the templates so it's a good mirror image of the products, and then also added abilities where you could select your sales channel in your template. That way you can use one template for marketplace and shops and all that great stuff. So let me go ahead and explain the changes. Here we have an example of the old templates. It was quite basic, very basic, which is a plus. But here we had a marketplace section, and we had shops which had a lot of details, and then we have the UK or the USA marketplace, and then we just had Facebook marketplace, which had less details, right? But if a person wanted to use one template for both shops and marketplace because their product is going to both, and they wanted stuff like hide from friends, and it just wasn't working out, right? It wasn't intuitive in that manner. So we went ahead and we restructured the template, and the new template is right here. And if I click on add, you'll see it looks a tad bit more complicated, but it's actually much more simple. Here you have your general section. So now you no longer have select which settings you want of the template, that you don't really have that. We have all the settings in one template, and you can choose to enable a sales channel, right? So if you click on sales channels in the template, you can choose to enable which sales channels this template is used for. That way you can use multiple sales channels. You can have multiple sales channels in one template, which is very useful. And then we have the general tab, which is just, general settings. So let me go ahead and name my template general template shops marketplace. I'm going to use my template for both shops and marketplace with a quantity of 15, a condition of new, and a new field that you'll see here, which is a great placeholder and a great deciphering thing, is a currency, right? So depending on where you live, you can choose the Great Britain pound if you're a UK seller, or the US dollar. Then you have your simple markup settings and your margin settings. It's basically what markup do you want on your products. And then you have your header and your footer, which is quite simple. So next you have your Facebook Marketplace section, right? So here you can leave everything blank if you're not selling on Facebook Marketplace, and you don't have to worry about it. But if you are selling on Facebook Marketplace and you want this template to go to Facebook Marketplace, then you can add on a shipping price, and then you can also have that hide from friends checked off. Now at the same time, if you're selling on shops, you can add the URL to your shop store. You can have your brand, right? You can also auto detect the brand. You can have your categories or auto detect them. You can have the target sale prices that shops allows. You can also have the rounding that shops allows. Pretty much it. You guys can set all those things up just like normal. And then lastly, we have the sales channels. So you can select which sales channels your product is supposed to go to, and your template is sort of going to apply that onto your product, and then your product makes the moves, right? So this is the new template. We've found that it's much more intuitive for the future headed forward. I hope you guys will like it. So let's go ahead and apply this template to our products. Alright, so here I have some products, and if I click on the edit on these products, if I click on edit on the products, I can see that in my description area, my template is actually 50%. Here's my sales channels section. So this product is only going to marketplace via the Chrome extension. And in our template, it was something different, of course. So if we change it to the general template, Then we click on the sales channel. You can see that it's changed. If you go into your shop settings, you can see our XYZ domain along with our XYZ brand. And in the marketplace section, you can see the $10 shipping price along with hide from friends. And of course, in the pricing settings, you can see that we have our markup margin, sale markup, and sale margin that comes straight from our template. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's how to use the new templates. Everyone is just going to be, moved over to this template automatically. The way you bulk apply these templates is just click on apply and reapply template, then click on apply, and then click on your general template and click on save changes. And this is going to apply to all of your products. So there we go. All my products are done. So you might be asking, how can you migrate from the old templates to the new ones? Your old templates will just remain the same. You can just edit them to add on more information or subtract information. Your old templates are still valid, right? They're just not going to have all these options checked. So if you have a template for shops, it's still going to be a shops template. If you have a template for marketplace, it's still going to be the same thing. But if you create a new one, then you can have an all-in-one template. And if you edit your old one, you can make it an all-in-one template by editing an old one, right? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't started using FBM Fox yet, click the link in the description below. Get a 7-day free trial. It's only $29 a month. You can get started selling on your favorite e-commerce platforms. And if you don't know how this whole business model works, we recommend getting the 10-minute workday course, link in the description below. You get $500 off with our coupon code, and it'll show you how to sell from A to Z on Facebook Marketplace and shops. So go ahead and do that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good one. Bye.